Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Grid, align all items vertically using align items. Using the align items property on grid container will set vertical alignment for all items in our grid. So just like justify items, we can use align items to align the elements vertically. So the task, use it now to move all the items to the end of each cell. So we have to just give align items to end, and that will change the grid item content like this. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.